Ever grappled with the unpredictability of the cryptocurrency market? Wondered if there's a way to navigate its volatility with a level of precision? This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, can lend a helping hand. One of the key ways AI can assist is through market analysis and prediction. AI algorithms are capable of processing vast amounts of data, from historical price trends to trading volumes and even news articles. This helps identify patterns and predict future market movements. For example, CoinScreener and ChainGPT are platforms that leverage AI to provide investors with real-time market data, technical analysis tools, and AI-generated signals for crypto trading. Next up, algorithmic trading. AI can automate trading strategies, executing trades at optimal times based on predefined criteria or real-time market analysis. HypeIndex is an AI tool that exemplifies this, analyzing market data to identify potential investment opportunities and automate trading strategies. Risk management is another area where AI shines. It can assess the risk levels of different investment strategies and help investors manage their portfolios more effectively. Tools like Wonder Trading offer a range of automated risk management tools for crypto trading, including hedging bots and statistical arbitrage systems. In terms of portfolio optimization, AI can help craft diversified portfolios that balance risk and reward based on an investor's goals and risk tolerance. AI Crypto Analyst is a platform that uses advanced AI technology to provide deep, actionable insights into the crypto market, aiding in portfolio optimization and strategy development. Predictive analytics, another key factor, involves advanced AI models forecasting trends and price movements, aiding investors in making more informed decisions. Platforms like 3Commas offer predictive analytics by automating strategies and analyzing data using techniques like natural language processing and machine learning algorithms. Sentiment analysis, a powerful tool that gauges public sentiment towards specific cryptocurrencies, can also be achieved through AI. By analyzing social media, forums, and news, AI can predict market movements. Dipsway is an AI tool that uses sentiment analysis to predict market movements in the cryptocurrency space. Lastly, customization and personalization. AI can tailor investment strategies to individual investor profiles, considering their preferences, goals, and risk tolerance. CryptoHopper is an AI-powered crypto trading bot that automates trading and combines hub functions, copying service, social trading, and investment portfolio management. As you can see, while AI offers numerous benefits in crypto investments, it's important to remember that the crypto market is highly unpredictable, and AI-based predictions are not foolproof. The key is to leverage AI as a tool in your investment strategy, but not as the sole determinant of your decisions. Thanks for watching, everyone. For related resources, check out the clickable links in the description below. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next one.